future Minecraft master, I am Soham Jain. Today in this video, we'll discuss how to play Minecraft. We're also going to explore the wonderful world of blocks and the not so wonderful world of creepers, zombies, and other mobs. If you missed my previous video of how to download the Minecraft game, I've provided a link in the description below. Check it out, and also in that video, you'll learn how to get a free $10 Minecraft gift card in the process. First things first, let's talk about the objective of the game. In Minecraft, you're survival in a blocky, pixelated world. You have to gather resources, build structures, and fight off mobs. The ultimate goal is to defeat the Ender Dragon and become the ruler of the land. Sounds easy, right? Well, let's get started. Step 1 is to create a new world. To start playing Minecraft, of course, you need to create a new world. Click on the Create New World button after clicking on the Single Player button, and choose the world type, game mode, and other options. For beginners, I suggest you choose Survival mode. This mode adds a level of challenge where you have to find resources, create your own food, and also fend off mobs to survive. Step 2 is to gather resources. Once you spawn in your new world, it's time to start getting resources. You need to collect wood, stone, and food to survive. To get wood, punch trees until they break into blocks. Then, use those blocks to craft a crafting table. This crafting table will help you make more advanced items. Step 3 is to build a shelter. As night falls in Minecraft, dangerous mobs such as zombies, creepers, and skeletons can spawn. To protect yourself, you need to build a shelter or create a sword. If you want to build a shelter, you can make a simple dirt house, or if you have enough resources, which I'm pretty sure you don't, you could build a castle. Step 4 is to explore and mine. Once you have a shelter, it's time to start exploring the world and mining. Even though the game's called Minecraft, you usually craft before you mine. It's kind of confusing. But you can find resources such as coal and iron and diamonds underground. Use your pickaxe to mine the blocks and collect the resources. Be careful not to fall into lava or attacked by mob. Step 5 is to craft and survive. Now that you have resources, you can start crafting other tools that will help you get more resources, and so on. Use your crafting table to make tools, weapons, and armor. These will help you survive, fend off mobs, and also get you resources. Make sure you keep an eye on your hunger bar and eat food to keep it above 3 bars or you can't sprint. So there you have a beginner's guide to playing Minecraft. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and entertaining. So let me tell you the secret. Moonpreneur is giving away a free $10 Minecraft gift card for anybody attending the game development or robotics trial classes. If you're between the ages of 6 to 15, this is the perfect opportunity to learn some great skills and also simultaneously get Minecraft with a $10 cheaper coupon. But remember, this won't last forever. So get your parents to sign up for a trial class and learn how to make games. Happy crafting!